Hey everyone, I just wanted to take a quick minute to quickly show you a home I have coming on the market this Friday, I do believe. Yes, we're going to be coming on the market this Friday. It is in South Lyon, Michigan. It is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, just over 1,700 square foot condominium. It is a detached condominium, so we have no shared walls in this complex. The home does have, again, just over 1,700 square feet. It is a ranch-style home with a full basement and a 2-car attached garage. So let me just take a second, turn this around for you to take a look at. So this is the front of the home. If you're familiar with this complex, it sides Pontiac Trail near Pinn's Bowling Alley. So this is the 2-car attached garage. Just have a few more things to get out of the house. From the garage, before you get into the house, you do have a laundry / mudroom. And you do have this little pocket door here, which of course would close off if you were doing laundry and didn't want to hear the machines running. So here in the front of the home, we do have a recently installed luxury vinyl tile flooring. This is also in our kitchen. And we do have a full bath with a tub / shower here in the front bathroom. And then we also have a bedroom here on the front of the home. So this is the smaller of the 2 bedrooms. Front and coat closet there on the right. And then we have a big open floor plan here in the home. So we do have a gas fireplace. You can see up there we do have high ceilings, a cathedral ceiling and a ceiling fan up there. To the right, we do have our kitchen. Again, additional closets. So as you come into the eat-in kitchen, you can see there's plenty of room for a table and chairs. We do have some newer appliances. You can see here we have a double oven. Also have an island. There is our dishwasher and refrigerator. All these appliances are newer. They're approximately 2 to 3 years old. So there is plenty of life, of course, left in them. They are virtually brand new appliances. Now this side of the home, one of the benefits of this home being that it is detached in the condominium complex is this is the east side of the home. So you do get plenty of morning sun in the kitchen. Sorry, into my elbow there. Here we do go into the dining space. So if you want to have a formal dining area, you can. Of course, you could use this area for something else if you wanted to. And then that leads back to the front of the home over there. And then again, of course, here's the living room. We do have on the back a trex deck. So this is what we look out the back here. Now right through those woods right over there is the South Lyon Rail Trail. So if you want to bike, if you want to walk, if you want to go for a jog, there is miles and miles of trail for you to follow. So on the other side of this home is the master bedroom, which is also on the back side of the home. And then that does connect here into the closet area. We do have a closet on the right, and we have a walk-in closet here on the left. And then we do have the master bath with dual vanity, toilet over here to our left. And we do have a large shower with very little as far as, something getting in the way of you stepping in here. So this is our shower. We do also have a full basement. The basement is unfinished, so I'm not going to go down there right now. But the furnace is within 10 years old. The air conditioning also is within 10 years old, and the roofs were replaced within the last few years. So there are some updates on the home, and the home is in tremendously good shape. We are going to be going on the market again this Friday, asking $275. If you have any interest or you know someone who may be interested, please feel free to reach out to me. You can always reach me on my cell at 734-751-6638. Thanks, everyone. If you need anything again, feel free to reach out. Talk to you soon.